This creamy chicken in white wine sauce is an absolute winner. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. This rich, creamy chicken is a bit of a treat dinner, but it's still really easy to make. We're going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil to a large frying pan over a medium to high heat. Now I'm cooking this recipe for 4 people, so I'm using 4 medium chicken breasts. But if you're cooking it for fewer or more people, it's really easy to scale this recipe. Now first we're going to season the chicken with half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Add the chicken breast to the pan and cook on both sides until golden, which should take about 6 to 8 minutes. They don't need to be cooked through at this point, as they'll continue cooking in the sauce. Now move the chicken to one side of the pan and add in a finely diced onion and 8 sliced mushrooms. And cook for 3 minutes until lightly softened. Once the onion's softened, stir in 3 minced cloves of garlic and a couple of sprigs of fresh thyme and cook for about 30 seconds. Pour in 120 ml or half a cup of white wine and turn the heat up to high. Bring to the boil and then simmer until almost all of the liquid is evaporated. That'll take about 5 minutes. Stir in 120 ml or half a cup of chicken stock and 180 ml or 3/4 of a cup of double or heavy cream and heat through for 2 to 3 minutes. Check the chicken's cooked through and then turn off the heat and you're ready to serve. I love to serve this creamy chicken with some crispy sauteed potatoes and green beans, all finished off with a sprinkling of fresh thyme. And there you go, that's my creamy chicken in white wine sauce, ready in 30 minutes. It's so delicious, really great for date night. See you next time.